Let's say goodbye to the limitations of gaming on smaller, lower-resolution screens. Say hello to the ASUS V16, a powerhouse of a laptop that's ready to take your immersive experience to the next level. This beast of machine boasts a stunning 16-inch WUXGA display that pumps out breathtaking visuals in a 1920 by 1200 resolution, giving you a cinematic viewing experience like no other. But the truth is, even the most stunning displays can't compensate for a slow processor or inadequate performance. That's why the ASUS V16 comes equipped with an ultra-fast Intel Core 7 processor 240H, built with performance hybrid architecture to fuel real-world multitasking, graphically demanding games, and seamless connectivity, all powered by 10 cores and 16 threads. This is the kind of computing you can count on, and it's exactly what many gamers and multimedia creators have been waiting for. Now, let's talk design. The ASUS V16 is clad in a sleek matte black finish that screams style and sophistication. Its compact, yet sturdy body is built to last, with expert craftsmanship and attention to detail that's evident from the moment you lay eyes on it. At 5.2 pounds, it's not the lightest machine on the market, but it's definitely manageable, and the weight is distributed evenly to ensure stability during intense gaming sessions. When it comes to usability, the ASUS V16 shines with ease. The well-spaced keyboard layout and the responsive touchpad make typing and navigating a breeze, even for extended periods of time. And when it comes to connectivity options, you'll find ample ports to go around, including USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card slot, ensuring seamless integration with all your peripherals and external devices. Let's dive into the most important features of the ASUS V16. First, there's the display itself, an absolute stunner that boasts an ultra-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and a sustained brightness of 300 nits. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or simply watching your favorite movies, this panel delivers a level of immersion that's hard to match. Next, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 graphics card delivers stunning frame rates and unparalleled visuals, pushing even the most demanding games to the limits of what's possible. Memory, storage, and display resolutions are often at odds with each other, but not with the ASUS V16, which strikes the perfect balance between all three. Boasting 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a generous 512 GB SSD, this laptop has ample space for all your files, programs, and multimedia content. And of course, there's the latest and greatest in operating systems, with Windows 11 at its core, ensuring seamless integration with your cloud services, apps, and peripheral devices. How does it perform in real-world scenarios? In our testing, the ASUS V16 consistently delivered exceptional results. During 4K video playback, the display's 300 nit brightness and HDR capabilities truly shone, delivering vivid, lifelike colors that popped against the black background. And in gaming, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 card churned through frame rates with ease, providing butter-smooth visuals and silky smooth transitions between frames. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the drawbacks of the ASUS V16. While the display is truly remarkable, it does suffer from a slight blue tint in certain lighting conditions. And if you prefer higher-end display technology like OLED, you'll find it's not an option here. Another minor quibble we have is with battery life. With a 76-watt battery and an 80-watt power adapter, you can expect around 5 hours of moderate use, which is respectable but not exceptional by today's standards. However, we believe this is a small price to pay for the raw power and capabilities this machine has to offer. If you're looking for a gaming laptop with all the bells and whistles, with the performance to match and the style to make a statement, the ASUS V16 might just be the ticket. It goes toe-to-toe with the likes of Dell's XPS 17 and Razer's Blade 15, and even bests them in some areas, particularly in its 144 Hz refresh rate display and exceptional graphics capabilities. Ultimately, our verdict on the ASUS V16 is one of unreserved enthusiasm. This machine delivers the raw power and immersive gaming experience that true enthusiasts crave, and at a price that won't break the bank. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an up-and-coming gamer, this is a machine you'll love, and with a purchase price of around $2,300, it's an absolute value. When you're ready to elevate your gaming experience to new heights, to push the limits of immersion and engagement, and to see what a true powerhouse laptop can do, look no further than the ASUS V16.